Good morning, everyone. As you might already know that the Victorian nomination program will be closed tomorrow at 5 p.m. for new applications for surplus 190 and surplus 491. That means registration of interest will be closed for any of these surpluses. Hello, this is Omar, one of the registered migration agents at Pathway Education and Visa Services, and today I will briefly explain you what this closure means for you, how you should plan for next program year, either for Victoria or any other states, and some recommendations that you may utilize for better chance of getting invited for surplus 190, surplus 491, or even skill independent visa surplus 189. Now, for the last program year, the Australian government allocated 3,300 skill visa places, where 2,700 was allocated for 190 and 600 seat allocations have been happened for surplus 491. Unfortunately, all or most of these nominations have already been used, and rest of the seats will be used for future invitations for this financial year. Furthermore, lately we have came across lots of inquiries and lots of questions from our existing and new clients that what they should do with their existing RY. Should they withdraw it, or should they keep it, or what you must do it? If you are a surplus 491 applicant and lodged in ROI with the Victorian government, you must be working and employed in a nominated occupation or in skill level 1 to 3 occupation. However, if you are not selected, then you should be withdrawing your existing ROI and lodge a new ROI. There has been no changes been announced for surplus 190. If you were not selected for the last program year, you should not submit a new ROI if your information has not been changed. Let's briefly touch base on how you can best plan for the next program year for Victoria or any other states for surplus 190 or 491 nominations. Please listen to the following recommendations. Firstly, always stay informed about further changes to Victoria State Nomination Program requirements or any other states for 2024 to 2025, like residency, work requirements, and you can better speak to us for customized PR planning. Secondly, think of increasing your skill points, like maybe pursuing a better PR pathway oriented study and skill assessment, like priority courses, early childhood, nursing, health related courses, getting a superior English like 18 each, that's going to give you 20 points, NATI, and partner skills. And this is the one thing I would like you to concentrate. I've seen over the last couple of invitations that an applicant who has a partner and who has a skill occupation, they're getting invited as low as 75 points for their state nomination program. Now, thirdly, the next recommendation I would like to make is that work on your employment. If you have not been working in a skill level 1 to 3 jobs, which is a must requirement for Victoria, try to find a work in that skill level and focus on higher income threshold, and which is lastly the last recommendation I would like to make. If you have a higher income threshold income, for example, someone with a good duration of employment and higher income threshold, for example, close to 100K or above, got invited even with non-priority occupations. Consider broadening your search to other state nomination programs like Western Australia. They are closed right now, but maybe still open for 2024 to 2025 later on. Now, there are always opportunities beyond Victoria. Please note that all these recommendations or tips are general advice only and can vary from state to state requirements and individuals' assessment criteria for particular states. So talk to us if you want a more clarified and customized PR pathway. All the best. If you have any questions and if you would like to reach us to book an appointment, please call us at 1300 for pathway. That means 1300 472 849.